The steering loss stop safely warning is a critical alert that appears in Ford Fusion vehicles, primarily affecting model years 2013 through 2020. This warning indicates a failure in the electronic power assisted steering system. The EPAS system consists of several interconnected components. The steering column module contains an electric motor and control electronics. Torque sensors measure driver input force, while position sensors monitor steering wheel angle and rotation. Here we see the actual EPAS assembly. The black cylindrical component is the electric motor that provides steering assistance. The horizontal shaft connects to the steering system, while the colored wires carry control signals and power. The warning system triggers when specific conditions are detected. These include torque sensor readings falling outside normal parameters, loss of communication between the powertrain control module and EPAS module, insufficient power supply voltage, or when internal diagnostics detect hardware failures. The primary causes of EPAS failure include electrical connection problems such as corrosion or loose connections in the steering column. Torque sensor malfunctions, software glitches causing communication errors, and power supply issues are also common culprits. Ford has addressed this issue through multiple channels. Technical Service Bulletin 19-2315 provides updated guidance for intermittent power steering loss. Recall 20S24 covers approximately 1.48 million Ford Fusion vehicles. Additionally, Ford has released multiple software updates for the powertrain control module and enhanced diagnostic procedures. Understanding this warning system is crucial for Ford Fusion owners. The EPAS system's complexity means that proper diagnosis requires specialized knowledge and equipment to identify the root cause of steering assist failures. Diagnosing Ford Fusion steering issues requires a systematic, 5-step approach. Each step builds on the previous one to identify the root cause efficiently. Step 1 involves connecting a Ford IDS scanner or equivalent professional diagnostic tool. This retrieves trouble codes, checks communication with the EPAS module, and records current software calibration versions. Step 2 requires visual inspection of all steering column connections. Look for corrosion, loose wiring, moisture damage, or physical damage to the steering column assembly. Step 3 involves updating the software calibration. Install the latest PCM calibration, update EPAS firmware, perform a steering angle sensor reset, and verify the calibration IDs match the latest specifications. Repair costs vary significantly based on the root cause. Software updates are the most economical at $200 to $300, while complete steering column replacement can cost up to $2,500. Prevention is key to avoiding costly repairs. Regular electrical inspections, prompt attention to warning lights, protecting connections from moisture, and keeping software updated can prevent most steering system failures. Following this systematic diagnostic approach results in a 78% first-time fix rate, significantly reducing both repair time and customer costs.